Wow, what a way to start the sing-offs. Palakpakan natin muli, Nicolo and Gianni. Mukhang maraming feelings ang inyong coaches.
Kinabahan kami sa araw na to kasi alam namin bibigay talaga nila yung best at mahihirapan kami. Kaya nagdala kami ng rest back ngayon. Yung mga kabanda namin ay nandito sa kaliwa. Nicolo, I love the power that you gave in the performance, but also, just like they said, the vulnerability. Kasi, kumbaga, yung song na yan, it's a very difficult song to sing, but you took on the challenge, and you did your best today, at sobrang na-feel naming lahat. Naniwala kami dun sa mga sinasabi ng kanta, dahil sobrang ginalingan mo yung performance. Palakpakan mo yung sarili mo. Grabe.
For Gianni, you've come a long way in terms of growing and improving as a performer. And even down to the last bit, which is this song, yung last note na pre-practice natin nung rehearsal, talagang you really gave it your all to make that a moment for all of us to remember. So, thank you so much for working hard and thank you for giving it everything on stage. Sobrang
Proud kami sa inyo. Grabe.
Thank you, coaches. Nicolo, Gianni. Congratulations sa performance. Ang gagaling talaga. Nako, mukhang mahihirapan talaga mga coaches niyo. Pero mas lalo pa silang mahihirapan dahil may dalawa pa silang talented kids na magpapakitang gilas. Kaya eto na, the Bencara Kids will continue their showdown dito lang sa The Voice Kids. Wow! I'm sure you're also all believers of their talents. What can you say about their performance?
Alam mo, Eralyn, ngayong gabi may nagsisisi. May nagsisisi ditong coach na si Coach Zach na pinakawalan ka niya because you did so well on that stage. Palakpakan naman natin muna si Era. Grabe. The things that we worked on in rehearsal, which is basically yung nag-elevate yung feelings, nag-escalate yung feelings mula sa simula. Kumbaga, hindi mo muna binigay lahat. Tapos, dinala mo kami dun sa journey hanggang dun sa dulo ng song. Talagang na-captivate mo kami. And you did that so well tonight with that performance. And it's not something that sounds like Adele. It sounds like Eralyn. So, palakpakan natin si Era.
And, well, ang daming kong gusto sabihin for Audrey's, mula nung lumapit ka dito, parang lahat kami napapasandal sa upuan kasi sobrang powerful kung paano mo kinanta yung Believer. But more than that, yung noon sa practice, which is yung inaral natin, yung mas better na diction para mas malinaw yung mga salita. We really can tell that you worked hard on it. And sobrang meron kayo pareho na X factor. Meron kayo nung talagang solid na, sobrang mahirapan tayo mag-decide.
Coach Paolo, Coach Miguel, don't worry. May oras pa. You still have time to decide dahil pakikinggan muna natin ang next team at yun ang team ni Coach Julie. And I think her kids are ready to show what Jules Squad is made of. So the sing-offs will continue when The Voice Kids returns. Welcome back! Eto na po, kasama natin ang 8 talented kids on stage. They made the chairs turn during the blinds. Nalampasan nila ang hamon ng batas, kaya ang tanong, sino sa kanila ang magtatagumpay ngayong sing-offs? Si Coach Paolo, Coach Miguel, it's time to make the decision. Sino sa kanila ang dadalhin ninyo sa semifinals?
Kuya Dong, pwede bang si Coach Julie muna? Si Coach Julie muna.
Ba't ako? Nag-iisip na ako eh!
Ang hirap nito, grabe. Okay, we just wanna say na sobrang proud namin sa inyong apat. Alam nyo, magmula nung rehearsal, magmula nung blinds pa lang, you came a long way. You've improved so much. Kumbaga, kung akala namin napakagaling nyo na nun, sobrang laki pa nung ginaling nyo habang dumaan tayo sa battles, tapos dito sa sing-offs. At ang feeling naming ready para sumampa sa next round, ang una naming pangalang tatawagin ay si
Rodriguez. Alright. Ang pangalawang papasok sa semifinals ng The Voice Kids I see Gianni.
Congratulations, Audriz and Gianni. At syempre, salamat kay Nicolo at kay Erilyn for sharing your amazing voices with us. Guys, palakpakan natin muli, Audriz and Gianni. Congratulations. And muli, Nicolo and Erilyn.
Wala pa
Thank you,
Nicolo and Erilyn.
Nicolo, Erilyn, for sharing your talent with us.